Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents, and we let you take it from there. June 12th, Supreme Court opinion, Rivers v. Guerrero. All right, today we will be discussing this legal question. If someone files a second habeas petition, and a habeas petition is basically a way for someone in state prison to ask a federal court to check if their conviction or sentence breaks federal law or the Constitution. And usually you only get to do one habeas petition, like one shot to do that. So if somebody files a second one, while their first petition is still being appealed, does it count as a second or successive petition under the Antiterrorism and Effective Death Penalty Act, or AEDPA? All right, this is a confusing one, and honestly, guys, one of the reasons I started this channel was to just inform people very quickly, but with a lot of these Supreme Court cases, it's pretty hard to add nuance and everything with like a 3 to 4 minute video, which is what I usually try to keep them at. So if you want more long form, detailed stuff, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Yeah. All right, so before we get into the case, let's touch on the AEDPA's rules for second or successive petitions. The AEDPA limits how many times someone can file habeas petitions to challenge their conviction. In order to file a second petition, it has to, 1, be based on new retroactive rule of constitutional law, or 2, include new facts that were previously undiscoverable and could prove the person's innocence. Also, you cannot file a second petition directly with the district court. You must first ask the Court of Appeals for permission, showing your petition meets the strict requirements of the AEDPA. Now, that sounds like a bunch of legal jargon, so let's get into the background of the case to give us some more context. All right, Danny Rivers was convicted in 2012 in Texas State Court for continuous sexual abuse of a child and other related crimes. After losing his appeals and challenges in state court, he filed his first federal habeas petition, claiming prosecutorial misconduct and ineffective assistance of counsel. The federal district court denied this petition, and Rivers appealed to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. Remember, district court, circuit court, Supreme Court. And the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals allowed him to appeal only on the issue of ineffective assistance of counsel. Now, this is the important part. While his appeal was ongoing, Rivers accessed his trial lawyer's files and found a report from a state investigator he thought could help prove he was innocent, or at least could weaken the case against him.
Full video located on our channel.